Not listening to Megan Thee Stallion.
With them legs on his head, now he love tall women. You'll never catch me calling these daddy. I ain't lying, just to make them happy. Lifestyle winning, can't fit a magnum. It never happened if the wasn't snapping. I'm a hot girl, I do hot. When the shit come on my outfit, I don't take quick, cause I ain't thirsty. Just mad, they wanna hurt me. I'm a hot girl, I do hot. When the shit come on my outfit, I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These just mad, they wanna hurt me. Anything about me, let me get it. I'm an open book, can you mean?
So what?
Hit the button on the side. What's good, YT? It's your boy K-Dot, and we back with another video. Hey, bro, we got perk 30.
You going already?
Yeah.
Oh, snap, bro. I was saying some wild shit. You gotta cut the edit that part out.
Hey, but look, we chilling today, you know what I'm saying? We gotta just walk into Target right quick. Finna see what we popping with. We finna see what we got.
Oh, shit. Let me start recording. I'm gonna just record with my phone. I'll probably upload it to my laptop.
Yeah, bro.
I'm gonna just record it from my regular camera.
Hey, but look, if any of y'all wanna join Forex, hit my phone, bro. Hit my phone, y'all know, at K-Dot, bro, XK.X. Go ahead and hit my phone, you know what I'm saying? DM me and everything. See y'all. Alright, so boom, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all on to the stuff that y'all need if y'all really want to vlog. Like, it's some stuff that I'm actually missing, but I'm gonna put y'all on real quick. So, I'm pulling up on the, you know what I'm saying, you got you a tripod, right? If you get you a GoPro or something, you feel me? Hit you with one of the tripods like this.
Target.
You know what I'm saying? It's about 70 bucks right there. You know. It's about 70 bucks.
Get you a little stuff.
That's about 70 bucks. It's about 70 bucks.
XK.Dot.
You know what I'm saying? Doing my goddamn thing.
Doing it, goddamn thing.
Goddamn thing. But if you really want to know like the cameras and stuff, so boom. The camera I have right now is a Sony a6000. Right now, the Target is $549. You feel me? It's about $549. So with that, you feel me? Like, I think I got it for a little bit cheaper at Best Buy. But those one of the things you can do to just, you know what I'm saying, get started. It takes brilliant pictures. You see how clear this joint is. This, you know what I'm saying? It's taking good pics. Then you can actually get something like this, you feel me? Get you a tripod. My tripod, nah, you should get one of these. These are not bad at all, bro. They 16, like, you know what I'm saying? Get you a 15, 19 jump. They cool, bro. Get you a cheap little one. And get you a little bag, you know what I'm saying? You want to keep your camera safe and everything. Then, of course, you want to get you something to keep it on, right? Gotta hit you a little, get you one of these discs, bro. Get you one of the micro discs so you can save everything up there. Make sure you get at least like I got the 64, but 32 ain't bad. Don't get the 16. It's a rock. But I promise you gonna have like a couple videos up there and that's it. Cause for real, with the one with the 64 gigs, bro, I swear I'll get like what 10 videos up there, bro. And it be saying my storage full. It be stopping in the middle of me recording. Like, it just be blowing me. But those one of like the main few things you need. You don't really need no special lens and all that. Like, honestly, you don't even need none of the stuff you said. You can just get on your phone. Like, bro, he's on his phone right now, bro. Like, you see? Like, we up here vlogging. Like, we're on the phone.
On the phone.
You know what I'm saying? That's all you need. Once you do that, you know what I'm saying? You good. It all depends on your editing sometimes. Like, you can just get on iMovie. You don't need that Final Cut Pro, all that extra stuff, bro. It depends on your personality and how many people you can reach and get you to subscribe, you feel me? Like, I'm only at 100. Like, so my video's doing good. They hitting up the more than the amount of subs I got. You know what I'm saying? That's all you need. You just gotta keep grinding. Don't forget who you are. You know what I'm saying? And do your thing. Dang thing.
Oh yeah, that's him dude, but he be charging like $45 for it. I'm like, oh my god,
That's crazy.
I'm like, I'm making it fly myself.
Fuck, man. I wish everything was open, bro. Like,
The only thing open for is like the restaurants and shit.
I know, bro. We still go boot gang on them, goddamn. I still go boot gang on them. That's tough. That's tough.
Hey man, little vlog out here, so me and my boy XK Dot.
You know what I'm saying? We doing our thing, bro. We doing
Y'all
our
go
thing.
subscribe to my boy.
Hey, bro, we out here. You feel me? We out
You know,
here.
follow him on the gram, man. So we out here at Potomac. I mean, Peninsula Town Center. I'm tripping. We out here at PTC, man.
What's
You know-
over here, bro?
What is open? I don't even know what's open, bro. You know every place closed early because of the Rona?
Everything closed because of that Rona, bro. It
That Rona
sucks.
in the way. Can't even go back to school.
I know.
None of that, man. Just because of that Rona, bro. Rona cake, man. That's all I got to say. Rona cake.
You know what I'm saying? Bro, the Rona,
Like,
bro.
it ain't nobody out here. Usually, bro,
Yeah,
it be lit.
exactly.
They usually be lit out here. Ain't nobody here. Like, it's wild.
Exactly, bro.
Nobody out here, bro.
Everything when to close at like 5 and
Everything close at like 5 and 7 and stuff. It's wild.
everything when to close at 5, bro. This one sucks. God. What you say?
This one, for real, I got this like online from my school. But they
Yeah.
got something in there. We just saw something at Target. Like, cooked out in the, like, by the camera and stuff. Yeah.
What he said?
He said anyway you can find it.
Oh, word.
Like, you can follow us on YouTube or Instagram or something. He
Yeah.
got YouTube and stuff.
Word, bro. But hey, comment on the video what it is, bro. It's xk.xk on YouTube.
XK dot
Yeah, with 2 T's and an X at the end. xk.x.
HK dot X.
X.
XK dot X.
Yeah, with 2 T's. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I just subscribed to you, bro. You got the 2K and all that up there, smash the pass and all that.
Yeah.
I got you, bro.
Comment on one of my vids what your podcast is, bro. I support.
Right now, bro.
Good looks, man.
Doing your thing, and we support each other.
You know what I'm saying? That's what we do, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all trying to grow, bro. Just go out and vlog, man. Oh, shoot.
Gotta get up out of here.
They started shooting. It's like, no, they ain't shooting.
Fireworks going
Yeah.
outside, but I don't want to find out.
They ain't shooting,
I
y'all.
don't see no fireworks on my. Ain't not going on out here.
See? Look. This is why I hated Target, bro. This is why, bro. Look how far this is. Y'all leaving these cars. Dang! Brother dropped the goddamn. Well, look.
Dropping the goddamn.
This why I hated working. This why I hated working at Target. I thought I heard my name, but this why I hated working at Target, bro. Cause y'all be leaving carts on the opposite side of the whole building. Like, what is that, man? Like, why would you do that? Like, I gotta come and get that junk. Even on rainy days, I gotta come and get that junk. Oh, it look lit in there. Oh, it look lit in there, bro. Oh, they skating. I like to skate, y'all. You broke it.
Oh no, that bitch is a screw. I was about to say, you gotta be goddamn kidding me. If I can screw it back on.
God dang.
You gotta be goddamn kidding me. I'ma finish this job.
God dang.
One time I got, once I was doing right for my camera, I got a whole another one. I had a whole last one for my camera.
Ooh. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that junk goddamn broke.
And we just chilling though. Hey, look. If you still watching, go ahead. Like, subscribe, and do your goddamn thing in the comments.
Goddamn thing.
Do your goddamn thing. I want to see what they doing, bro.
Shoot.
Make another vid. You know what I'm saying? That's all look lit. I might do that.
What they got? You got scooters in there?
Bro, yes, bro. It's on look lit.
I ain't never seen this before. This one even here last time I was here. I don't know.
Don't forget, no skateboarding, no bicycling allowed, and that makes no sense.
Oh, it's pretty much you can ride it in there, but not out here.
Yeah,
That's it too.
but that's tough, bro. They always got something right here, like a skate park or some Halloween store, like every time. Every single time they got that joint right here. That look tough. So fine. Hey. Oh, I'm about to start drinking. Oh. Hey. 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 Live video. Wait till I get a freaking a camera jump, bro. When we do our thing. I want some Buffalo Wild Wings, right? That's gonna be tough. I want some Buffalo Wild Wings. But what is open?
Like I said, top by my body. I'm about to go live on IG.
No bull.
It's hard to go. It's.
I'm about to end the vlog, you feel me? There ain't nothing going on.
We gotta go like somewhere lit, like.
Yeah.
Beach.
KDT, QDT. Love y'all. Peace.
Hey, man.